Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussizz Group. I'm Malcolm, one of the PT trainers with Aussizz Group. What is PTE? PTE stands for the Pearson Test of English Academic. Now why are you taking PTE? That is the main question. Are you taking it to improve your English? I'm afraid not. You are taking PTE to get those vital 10 visa points or 20 visa points which you need to get for your PR. That's the main reason why you're taking PTE. And believe us friends when we tell you that PTE is one of the easiest tests in English, and that is why most of our students get a score of 90 each and 90 overall. Yes, you heard that right. So many of our students have got scores of 90 each and 90 overall. And if they can get it, why can't you? If I can get it, why can't you? So through this video, I want to assure you that if you come to us for your PTE coaching, we will try our best to get you that score of 90 each, because we understand the test well. And what is different that we give that nobody else will give you, I can think of only one thing, and that is personalized attention. When you come to us, when you promise to give us your 100%, believe us friends, we will put in our 1000% to see to it that you get those 20 visa points. And right from the beginning, we have said that there is only one target in PTE, that is not 79, that is a target score of 90 each. 90 in speaking, 90 in writing, 90 in reading, and 90 in listening. And again, I'm saying that we assure you that we will not stop till you get that score of 90. So friends, don't wait, don't think, act now. Now is the time. Just join us and we'll try our best together to get you that perfect score of 90. Thank you so much. Good day.